what we hit. We have all the proof we need. You're going to jail for a long time.
Breaking news! Jeffy was found guilty. He is sentenced to life in prison.
Congratulations, you are now pregnant.
Really? Perfect, we're gonna have a baby!
I'm so excited. For the next 9 months, I'm gonna take care of you.
Mario, I love you!
911, what's your emergency?
We have the place surrounded. Come out with your hands up or you will be shot.
What's happening?
I plead the fifth.